Gentleheel has 4 sizes to cover any term baby: toddler, newborn, preemie, and micro-preemie. Our distinct color-coded packaging coincides with the color of each Gentleheel device, which helps ensure that the correct device size is used. When preparing to collect a sample using the Gentleheel device, refer to the shaded areas indicated on the image, which represent the recommended incision sites. The incision must be on the plantar surface in an area marked by a line drawn from the middle of the great toe to the heel, or a line drawn from between the 4th and 5th toes to the heel, both lines to be parallel to the side of the foot. Once the incision site has been identified, in supine position, cleanse the incision site with antiseptic and allow to dry. Next, ensure that you have the correct size device. The size, color, and incision depth is printed on the back of the packaging. Remove the device from its packaging. Remove the trigger lock, being careful not to depress it or place anything in front of the opening at the base of the device. Place the entire base of the device against the cleansed incision site, and with even pressure on the heel of the foot, press the trigger, then remove the device. The first drop of blood should be wiped away from the incision site with a dry, sterile gauze pad. When a second drop of blood forms over the incision site, collect the sample with a capillary tube or similar device. Fill the blood collection container until the required volume is obtained. After a sample is collected from the infant's heel, the foot should be elevated above the body. Press a dry, sterile gauze pad against the incision site until the bleeding stops.